Welcome back to my another video. So in this video is going to be interested. So in this video I will discuss about rainy season. So first of all I would like to ask myself that am I like rainy season? No, I don't like rainy season. Here are 5 steps why I don't like rainy season. One number is wet and slippery roads. Yes, wet and slippery roads. Rain makes the road wet and slippery, which is very uncomfortable. So that's why I don't like rainy season. Two number is two number is difficult to go outside. Yes, it becomes hard to go outside or anywhere else without getting wet. Three number is clothes don't dry. Yes, clothes takes time to dry. Sometimes it smell bad. Four number is electricity problem. Yes, it's very common problem in our country when it rains so heavily that time we face electricity problem. So that's why I don't like rainy season. Yes, and also there are few reasons that's why I like rainy season. But I will describe about why I like rainy season later. So take care, stay safe, Allah Hafiz.